welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. Falling short of the demonstrated efficacy rate of Covaxin of 77.8% against symptomatic COVID-19, in recent study conducted at AIIMS, the vaccine was found to be only 50% effective. The results to this effect have been recently published in Lancet Infectious Disease Journal and is the first real-world assessment of India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. However, in the latest study, researchers at AIIMS acknowledged that the vaccine effectiveness is lower than the efficacy reported by a recently published Phase 3 randomized control study of BB152. Of the 2,714 employees in the study population, 1,617 people tested positive for SARS-CoV-2 infection, the virus that causes COVID-19, and 1,097 tested positive. Positive cases were matched with a negative RT-PCR test. The odds of vaccination with BBV152 were compared between cases and controls and adjusted for level of occupational exposure to COVID-19 and previous SARS-CoV-2 infection. The findings showed that adjusted effectiveness of BBV152 against symptomatic COVID-19 after 2 doses administered at least 14 days before testing was 50%. The adjusted effectiveness of 2 doses administered at least 28 days before testing was 46% and administered at least 42 days before testing was 57%. After excluding participants with previous SARS-CoV-2 infections, the adjusted effectiveness of 2 doses administered at least 14 days before testing was 47%. Our study offers a more complete picture of how Covaxin performs in the field and should be considered in the context of COVID-19 surge conditions in India, combined with the possible immune evasive potential of the Delta variant, said Manish Soneja, additional professor of medicine at AIIMS, New Delhi. The authors noted that several factors that might be responsible for the observation of the lower effectiveness in this study. The population included in the study comprised only hospital employees who might have been exposed to the higher risk of SARS-CoV-2 infection than the general population. The study was conducted during the peak of the second wave of COVID-19 in India, with high test positivity rates for both hospital employees and the residents of Delhi, they said. According to the researchers, the prevalence of the circulating variants of the concern, especially the Delta variant, might have contributed to lower effectiveness of the vaccine. They noted that the study does not estimate the vaccine effectiveness against hospitalization, severe disease, and death, which require further assessment. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.